What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a Colosseum in Minecraft Java. So first of all what you need is sandstone blocks like this, sandstone stairs and slabs also made of sandstone. So let's get started. So first of all what you're going to need to do is you're going to make a row of sandstone blocks about 7 in length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you're gonna add to its sides 5 blocks here. Similarly, 5 blocks here. Then you're gonna add 4 blocks, then 3, then 2, then again 2, and 1, and 1. And from here, you're gonna build 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, just like that. You're basically just gonna repeat this structure, and in the circle, you're gonna easily make a circle. So I have already done it on this side. Let me just show you how it looks. I'm also gonna share a design structure, and you guys can see how it looks. So this is how it looks when completed, and you can just pause the video and see the structure how it looks. Okay, now as our structure looks like this, what you're gonna add to this is you're just gonna increase it by 2 layers. One, two, one, two, one, two. You're gonna make it for all of the structure. So I'm just gonna quickly do it and just show you the results. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks like after I have completely, made it about 2 blocks high. And yep, this is how it looks. Next, what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna go 1 block inside, and to do that, I'm gonna just show you like this. We're gonna go 1 block inside all of this. As you can see, we will go like this for all of the area, and I'm just gonna show it to you after I'm done with it. Okay, now this is how it looks. As you can see, I've already pushed it inside. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a pattern just like this from the edges you can see, and then similarly on this one like this, then this, then this, and then this. Basically you're just gonna repeat this pattern all over it, and I'm gonna show you how I have already done it. See, I have already done it. So what more you guys have to do next is basically you're gonna increase the length of these to about 4 blocks higher. So and just ignore the bottom one and concentrate on counting from above. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna do this for all of the blocks and pattern we just set right now. And so let's just do it quickly and show you the results. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add a thin layer on top of this, and make sure it's consistent with the bottom one. And I'm just gonna cover and connect all of this area, and after that I'm gonna just go out 1 layer outside, and by that I mean like this. I'm gonna add an outer layer outside too, which would be consistent with the bottom one. So let me just do it and show it to you guys. Okay, so right now I have just connected the roof, and next what's remaining is making a thin outer layer. And what you must note is that the connecting layer is parallel to the layers below, and similarly the outer layer would also be parallel with the layers below it, and it should be coinciding. So I'm just gonna finish this outer layer too and show you guys the results. Okay guys, as you can see, I have now completed the outer layer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna increase all of the outer layers by 2 blocks like this, and I'm gonna do it for the whole Colosseum. Can see now it's complete. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make the same patterns we did right here, and we're just gonna make the same patterns and make them high by 3 blocks, so it will look like this. So for example, if this was a pattern, right, sorry, this was a pattern, and similarly there was a pattern like this. So we would just create these patterns for all around this, like the bottom ones. And for the further ones, let me also add them. Yep, like this. We'll just create all the patterns all around it, and we're also gonna raise them high by 3 blocks. Before we did it by 4 blocks. Now we're just gonna increase them by 1, 2, 3 blocks all around the edge. So let me just do it quickly and show you guys. Okay guys, as you can see, I have already done this. So we are just gonna connect all of this and repeat the process that we did below, that we're just gonna go a layer outwards and increase it by 2 blocks, and then we're just gonna connect it again up. And let me just quickly do it for you guys. As you can see, I have just connected all of this. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make the same pattern that we did below, that is like this. And the further pattern, and similarly here we're just gonna complete the pattern and raise it about 2 blocks. And let me just show you quickly how I have already done it. Okay, here you go guys. So I have raised it up by 2 blocks, and now what is just left is we're just gonna connect all of it, and then after connecting all of it, we're just gonna go 1 block outside. So I'm just gonna just show you the results. Okay, so I have just connected all of this above. So next what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna bring out a layer outside that would looks just like this. And I'm gonna do it all around this. Okay. So here it is. I have, just made all of this and connected and, extended it 1 step outward. So next what we're just gonna quickly do is we're gonna lay down slabs on the bottom of every one of these windows. And next what we're gonna try to do is we're just gonna place stairs like this on both sides. And if possible, then what you're gonna do is, if there's space, because as you can see some of these are small, and if there is space, what you're gonna do is place a slab right in between. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna do it for every one of these windows, from the first row to second and then to the third. I'm gonna just do it and show you guys the results. Okay, the finished product. So it does look quite decent, and this is the Colosseum tutorial for you guys. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see how we can decorate it from the inside, do let me know in the comments. And that's pretty much from this video, so goodbye.